How to uninstall Microsoft Copilot. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Microsoft Copilot and want to remove it from your device, whether you are using an Android or iOS, then here is how you do it. First of all, go ahead and unlock your device and then find the Copilot application on your app drawer. Press and hold the Copilot app, and in the pop-up, you will see the trash icon or the delete app option. Tap on that. In the pop-up, confirm that you want to uninstall by tapping uninstall. And there you go. Your Microsoft Copilot application has been removed from your device. So there you have it. Thanks for following along, and if you've ever decided to use it again, you can always reinstall it from your official App Store or your Play Store. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.